Welcome back to Whatever Garage. Today we're working on the new Corvette. A couple days ago my buddy and I tried to start it and we discovered that the starter was bad. We'd already taken the plugs out, put oil in it. So we've done everything. The motor did turn over by a wrench, so it's not stuck. So far so good. So now I'm going to switch you guys around, put you on a tripod, and fast forward you so you don't hear me cussing. We're going to try and put a new starter in, but I got to jack it up, do it from underneath. All right, hang on. All right, so now that I slow down and fast forward, you probably can't see me, but you see the starter. This is the old starter. Someone even put a Chevy sticker on it. It's a shame it didn't run. Here's the new starter. Oh shit, it's much beefier. I don't know if that's gonna fit. Whoops. Give me a minute here to think. Sorry, I'm not narrating. I'm just trying to figure out, because even the connections are different. This one had a blade that would go on here. Oh, that was almost bad. This has a blade, or has a blade connector that goes on there. This has two of these, R and S. I don't know enough about starters and electrical crap to know the difference, but I do know that this one's more of a performance starter, and this one isn't. If this one doesn't fit, I'll get another one like this, plain and simple. Let's see what we can do today. Let's test this one and see if it's actually broken. Sound good? All right, ladies and gents, on the floor here we have a brand new battery for the Corvette, and here we have a pretty little starter that doesn't work, I bet. All right, connect the negative. I guess we should let you see the side that's supposed to work. These are my crappy jumper cables. I mean, hit it. Okay, just because this works doesn't mean it will work under load. Make sure nothing's getting hot. All right. Test inconclusive. Well, since we're testing stuff, I do have a bonus starter I've been meaning to test. I've had it for 10 years and never tested it. It came off of a motor I bought for a Datsun 280Z that I used to race. Well, the motor I got it didn't race, but anyway, took the starter off of it because it was automatic. Never tested to see if it worked. I didn't have an automatic. Well, check my connections. Hold on. I think it's safe to say that starter's dead. I held on to it for how many years? 10 years? For nothing. Alright, so that's going to be anticlimactic because that is going to end this video. The starter's too big, won't fit around the headers. I didn't realize this had a performance starter. I bought a standard starter. So back to the drawing board. I'll return that, get a performance starter, put it back in. So, sorry it's so short. Never fails. When something goes easy, something screws up. It was easy taking it out, screwed it up. Alright, next time, it's whatever garage.